I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down and unplug the PC, then hold the power button for 5 seconds to discharge caps. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap or touch the case. You don't want static killing the drive. Remove the side panel and set screws aside, then locate your drive bays for a 2.5 SATA SSD or the M.2 slot on the motherboard. Make sure you can clearly see SATA ports, power connectors, and the M.2 standoff. This saves fumbling later. You'll now install the drive. If it's a 2.5 SATA SSD, slide it into the bracket or bay, then connect the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the SATA power cable from the PSU. For an M.2 NVMe SSD, line the notch up, insert at about a 30-degree angle, then press down and secure the drive with the standoff screw. Route cables so airflow isn't blocked and avoid tight bends. This prevents cable strain and keeps temperatures lower. Power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SSD is detected. If you plan to boot from it, set the boot priority now. Once the OS boots, initialize and format the drive in Disk Management or use cloning software to migrate your system. If the drive doesn't appear, shut down and reset cables or the M.2 module, try a different SATA port or power connector, and make sure your BIOS is up to date. These fixes solve most detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.